There's a silent killer sitting in your kitchen right now. It's not the sugar, it's not the salt. It's something far more sneaky. It's inflammation. And it's being triggered by foods you think are totally normal. Your granola bar, your healthy cereal, even that veggie burger. Today, I'm exposing the ultra-processed truth behind everyday foods and showing you how to fight back with realistic, no BS swaps that won't make you feel like you're on a rabbit food diet. Let's get into it. Section 1. The invisible threat: inflammation. First, what is inflammation and why should you care? Inflammation is your body's natural defense mechanism. But when it's chronic, when your body thinks it's under constant attack, it becomes a slow-burn disaster. We're talking fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, joint pain, even heart disease. And guess what's fueling it? The invisible ingredients hiding in ultra-processed foods. They've got labels like natural flavors and vegetable oils. Sounds innocent, right? But they're quietly setting your body on fire from the inside out. Section 2. Ultra-processed the modern poison. Now let's talk ultra-processed foods. These are foods that have been so heavily altered, they barely resemble anything natural anymore. They're pumped full of additives, preservatives, emulsifiers, and seed oils, things your body doesn't recognize as food. And the scary part, they're everywhere. Your protein bar, your oat milk, that frozen lean meal, all carefully engineered to taste amazing, trigger dopamine, and keep you addicted. One study showed that ultra-processed foods make up over 60% of the average American's diet, and they're directly linked to inflammation, depression, digestive issues, and autoimmune conditions. This isn't food, it's chemical warfare with a nutrition label. Section 3. Food label lies: what to watch out for. Let's break down the hidden offenders. Here are ingredients to watch for. Vegetable oils: canola, soybean, sunflower, packed with omega-6s that fuel inflammation. Artificial sweeteners, like sucralose and aspartame, disrupt gut health. Natural flavors, vague, unregulated, and often derived from chemicals. Carrageenan, guar gum, maltodextrin, sounds fancy, but wreak havoc on your gut lining. They don't want you reading the label, but once you do, it's like peeling back the curtain on the food matrix. Section 4. Realistic food SWAPs, the solution. I get it, you're busy, you want convenience. So let me give you realistic food swaps that protect your health without making life harder. Instead of flavored yogurt, go for plain Greek yogurt with real fruit and honey. Instead of seed oil-based dressings, use olive oil plus lemon or balsamic. Ditch margarine, grab grass-fed butter or ghee. Replace sugary granola bars with homemade energy balls, dates, nuts, cacao. Trade box cereals for overnight oats or chia pudding. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be aware, because every small swap adds up to a massive shift in your health. Section 5. Call to action: empower yourself. They want you tired, they want you sick. Because sick people are profitable. But knowledge, that's power. And when you start eating foods that fuel you, not fight you, everything changes. Your energy, your mood, your clarity, your skin. All of it. So check your pantry, read your labels. And remember, the biggest flex in 2025 is not six-pack abs. It's a healthy, inflammation-free body that thrives. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button. Drop a comment with the one food you're going to swap today. And share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's wake people up one meal at a time. Thanks for watching.